What up, leaders? Welcome back to my channel. We're on Red Road. It's been raining on and off. This is rainy season, and what you can see, there are pools of water on this new road. Water, of course, pooling means that they did not attend to the drainage of this road, and that, of course, means that these pools of water will eventually destroy the road, because water has that effect on roads. Hopefully somebody is monitoring these problems, these conditions that are cropping up in the aftermath of completion of these roads. That's the old hotel, the Caciques Hotel, still not completed. Right, this is a hotel that was abandoned. Construction was abandoned, I guess, after the builders ran out of money. And this is the ramp. Right, this is the ramp to the New Demerara River Bridge. You can see it goes behind this hotel, continues behind the hotel, Princess Hotel. And that you can see is the tower. Those are the towers that will support the high span section of the bridge. But what this shows you is that the ramp has been completed east of the public road, the East Bank Public Road, and that ramp reaches the ground, but it also has to continue all the way east to Heroes Highway. But what we're here today to do is to take a look at the progress on this new hotel. This is the Hyatt Hotel, new Hyatt Hotel here in Providence. Last time we took a look at this hotel was about a month ago. We want to see what has been done to it since the last time we were here. Again, this is looking south of its current location. There's also a large building that's being constructed south of the hotel. Don't know yet what it is. I'm assuming it's some kind of warehouse kind of building. This is east, looking east along the Red Road towards Heroes Highway. It's about 2 miles away from Heroes Highway at this point. And these are the neighborhood businesses. That one is, I think, some kind of industrial warehouse. So this is where we are. Again, this is Qualphone, one more of the data centers here in Guyana. The business here is telemarketing. So these guys answer the phones for a lot of the large businesses in the US. I understand that business is going away because of AI, artificial intelligence. It's going to replace these phone jockeys who take phone calls from customers. So apparently a lot of customer service is going to be handed over to AI. I remember when customer service was first handed over to automated. Morning. Yep. Okay. Okay. Thank you, man. So this is the Hyatt Hotel. Now, from what I can see, there's not a whole lot of progress, at least on the outside. Not a whole lot of physical progress made on the Hyatt Hotel since the last time we were here. Remember, it was raining about half an hour ago, so the building appears to be wet. Right, the dark color of the concrete simply reflects the wetness of the building. Now, what I can see is that they're working on the roof section. I don't know if that roof will be open or if it will be closed when it's completed. They have added back the windows because apparently there were some adjustments that needed to be made to the windows. I noticed they removed a few of the windows and now they've added them all back. So the building is closed on the outside now, close to the outside by putting up the walls and the windows. But beyond that, it seems as if a lot of the external work is still exactly the same as we left it the last time. You can see at the top there's still a fair amount of construction to be done to close the windows, to close the floors near the top of the building. Here you can see what the building is supposed to look like when it's completed. That's the Hyatt Hotel. That's what it looks like on the billboard, from the painting on the billboard. Next door is your Texila American University. Alright, that's a Texila American University on the east side of this new Hyatt Hotel. And as usual, let's go see if we can take a closer look through the gate so we can see how far they've come on the ground floor. So this is the entrance to the hotel, and this is what it looks like today on the 4th of May 2025 at about 7:30, 8 in the morning. This is what the building looks like. Now what we can see in this view is the east facing side of the building. Still some scaffolding, means that they're working on the, I guess, the windows and the walls of the east face, the east side of the building. And of course the ground floor, I don't know what they're going to do eventually with the ground floor, but that is also still open, hasn't yet been enclosed. But this is what the Hyatt Hotel looks like on May 4th, 2025. They are obviously making some progress. This, I guess, is the security entrance, the entrance to the building, entrance to the compound that's going to have the security huts. Back on the red road and passing Texila. So this is your Texila American University, just so we can take another look at Hyatt Hotel from the east side. So this is Texila American University entrance here. And this is what the Hyatt Hotel looks like from the east side of the building. You can see towards the south end of the building. Okay, so the south end of the building, there's still some windows that have to be closed. towards the back. But this is what the building looks on the east side. That is the Hyatt Hotel, the new Hyatt Hotel here at Providence. It's next door to the Tuxedo American University. And that's Red Road. But that's what's up, guys. That's what's happening in this neck of the woods. If you want to see more content like this, click like and subscribe. Beyond this Tuxedo American University and heading east, there are a number of housing divisions and housing developments on the construction. People have asked me to take a look at some of these new housing divisions and housing developments and look at the new Silica City that's being constructed along the highway. Those are future topics to be covered on this channel. For now, we just want to take a look at what's happening, that is follow-ups on some of these construction projects that we've been following for months. We're going to add those new construction projects as time goes by and as more and more of them are being added to the projects that are being done in Guyana. But this is what is happening here at the Hyatt Hotel. Still a whole lot of work to go, and your guess is as good as mine as to when this is going to be completed. But if you'd like to hazard a guess, give me your best estimate for when you think this hotel will be open, will be finished and open. We still need to follow up what's happening at the Timeri Marriott and the Ogle Marriott, AC Marriott at Ogle, and the Courtyard Marriott at Timeri. But these are some of the seven hotels currently on the construction in Guyana, and we're going to follow up on them until they're completed. Share this video with friends and family around the world. Let people know what's happening in the fastest growing economy in the world, Guyana. Later!